Alright, here we have a package that just came in from North Carolina. Look at the paperwork. 2001 Lexus GS300. Basically, customer went ahead and bought this key so they can confirm on their end that it works, the ignition, the doors, or whatever. We're going to go ahead and program the chip into the ECU. Now, we won't be able to do the remote. That's something that's going to have to be done at the car. But I'm sure the dealer probably already gave them the instructions that can be done on board. So I'll come back in a little while with this programmed and it'll be ready to ship right back. Alright, we finished with the computer. Key's now programmed. As you see, that key, the key is programmed as number 1, which is this key. So we're done. If you always wondered, how do we know if the keys are actually programmed into your unit? This is how. When we do it, we can actually check the key against the software that's in the computer, and it'll tell us what key number it is. If the key's not registered, it won't even show up. So that's about it. If you need our help, go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com, and just tell us what you need us do as far as lost keys. We'll tell you what you need to send us, and that's about it. Y'all have a good one.